In a room full of entrepreneurs born out of KL University, we can say from 83, 89 and other batches, we found the youngest entrepreneur in the room whose speech had the loudest clap and the loudest cheer among all. Let's introduce to Gopi Raja, who is from the batch 2018, and what else I should say, I should just let him do all the talking about his work. Please tell us about your work and what have you been doing.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Gopi Raja. I did my engineering from KL University from 2014 to 2018 in electrical engineering. And when I was engineering first year student, I used to sit in seminar halls, lot of seminar halls. At that time, I used to hear our vice chancellor sirs and our president sirs, chairman sirs speeches. At that time, they used to say us, our students must be job givers instead of job seekers.
Yes.
So those words have been inspired me a lot, and that's how my journey has been started. And today, I was very happy and proud to be associated with these many senior alumni and those two entrepreneurs, and lot of energy and learnings takeaways for me.
Okay, but your journey has been very quick success and a very a very inspirational story. Tell us something about your journey so far as an entrepreneur.
So actually, this all started in my first year of my engineering in 2014 and 15 times, where I was sitting in these words from the chairman sir had been inspired, and that too, my father is a farmer. I used to see him facing a lot of difficulties to spray pesticides in his field, and those things too are made me to think a lot. And one more is we people, me and one of the lab technician known Janardhan, we both are sitting in the innovation department of KL University. There is a separate department. Like every campus is having an ECE department and AAA department. In our KLU, we have a separate innovation department where our students used to sit there. They used to think about innovation. They used to think about startups and all. And I was sitting there spending some time. And at that time, we have seen some people using. When we are seeing some videos in YouTube and Facebook, I have seen people are using helicopters to spray pesticides in China's field, and these things inspired me a lot. And the person who is sitting beside me, he told what a wonderful technology, when this kind of technology would be implemented in India. That's had lighted my dreams, and that's the journey had been started. And then we went to our chairman sir and all the professors and all, and they have supported me a lot. What they told is, you go ahead, what kind of support is required from our side, we are there at the back of you, you can go ahead, like that. They have supported me. And once getting my idea, I immediately made a prototype, and I have demonstrated the prototype to the dignitaries. And from there we have registered our own company, Popul Drone Tech Private Limited, and today we are making a turnover around 2.5 crores, and we are in almost all states of southern India, and we are expanding to northern India as well. It's a journey.
Imagine, this story started with your father's misery in farming, and it reached out to all the farmers across South India, and now you're reaching to North. What kind of reaction you get from all those whom you've introduced this to technology? How has their life changed with this?
Definitely. See, actually, when we are starting at the day one only, we can't see the fruitful results. Always there will be a lot of ups and downs.
Yes.
And entrepreneurship is a journey, something like walking on a rope. And when we are walking on the rope, people will appreciate. When we fall down, people will say, "What is it?" Always these kind of things will be there. And when I first immediately reached out to the farmers, our biggest challenge is explaining them about this technology. This drone technology, using drones for agriculture spraying, is not an easy task. And the farmers are in some of the farmers who are two generations old, or one generation old, they even don't know how to operate a touch phone. And to teach them about this technology, it's quite challenging for us.
Yes.
But we have not given up. We went to every villages, we went to door of the farmers, we started explaining them, we started giving demos them, we started providing dental services to them. Once they started seeing the results of this technology, slowly they have started calling me Drone Raja instead of Gopi Raja. That's how I was very much popular in southern India.
Yes. Do you remember your life as a student? Did you see yourself becoming an entrepreneur and making this kind of difference one day?
Yeah, definitely. I thought, I remember the day in 2015, I realized this is not the way that my life must be. And, I should be somehow different. I can do a lot more wonders. Whatever the things may be happen, let me go behind my dream. It's something like, jumping from the mountain without parachute, something like that. Whatever the things may be happen, let me do my best. And that's why I'm keep on improving. There are lots of up and downs are there. There are a lot of troubles are there. There is a lot of turbulence is being happened, but we have not yet given up. We are keep going.
You Gopi Raja, you're a very positive and optimistic person. When you were giving your speech in the room, I could see a lot of humor and lightheartedness. But as an entrepreneur, we all know it's not only about success. It's about failures, it's about obstacles, it's about challenges. So how do you deal with that part of your business?
I believe my motivation comes from my parents and all the teachers who had taught me. Actually, I used to praise KLU in this part, right? Because they teach values. KLU is the best part of KLU is they teach values. Not only KLU, the schools and colleges where I have been studied, they used to teach me values. And the value system is the thing which is making me to stand still in whatever the ups and downs and all.
Okay, so one value you've learned at KL University which will stay with you forever?
Great. It's a very nice question. The one value is, maybe we need to stay till end. When we start something, we need to stay till end. Whether that this may be towards our side, things may be our side. Let's if we take this alumni guild as an example, when I have seen these many dignitaries, I felt guilty, little bit I felt nervous. But I thought, okay, let me do my try. When I immediately step into the hall, when I seen all the dignitaries, Vice Chancellor sir, and all other dignitaries, by seeing their experience and all, I thought this is not the right platform for me. Such a kind of small inferiority complex came to me, but I thought no, let me do my try.
Yes, absolutely. We saw how your try made a difference. But what is the message for all the students who are studying at KL University? Do you think it's possible to become an entrepreneur straight out of university, or you should get some industry experience to understand how an organization functions before starting your own startup?
Yeah. I feel this is the right age to start a startup. Why? Because if you come out of the campus at the age of 35 or 40 after doing some job for 10 or 15 years, if you want to start this, you can't start. Why? Because you will have a lot of responsibilities. You have whatever the decision you want to make, there will be a lot of responsibilities which will stop you to make the decisions. But when you start as a student, a lot of people will come forward to support you as KL had supported me. That's what I suggest. What I suggest KL is, all the students from KL is, you start when the dream comes. You don't mind what people think, you don't mind whether it will be successful, you don't mind whether it will be failure, you don't mind about the results. You just do your job. Obviously, people are there to support you, God is there to support you.
Yeah.
Things will happen on its way.
Absolutely, it happened your way at least. So that's very much motivational. You have been very happy with the university and your experience as a student life here. Now in the new role of an alumnus, someone who's passed out of the university and doing well, what difference can you make in the university which you want to do wholeheartedly?
Definitely. Actually, I was discussing with the Honorable Vice Chancellor sir and to all other, management of KL University, where we want to start the first of its kind drone center of excellency, where we can manufacture and integrate drones in our university itself, so that we'll be as our vice chairman sir's dream also to keep this university as an international standards university. So what to contribute in that way, we want to start some drone center of excellence in the university, so that many people will get exposure of this kind of technology, and we can start building things from scratch here in the campus itself.
So you were talking about creating a drone center at KL University now, but there are a lot of more, facilities to inculcate entrepreneurship among students. There's an incubation center. There are a lot of center of excellence. So what is your advice to the students studying there? How can they, avail the opportunities available and make the best of it?
Sure. What I feel is every student who steps in the KL University have 5 kind of different opportunities to be chosen. At the first year of the engineering itself, they need to choose which path they need to go. if people want to decide to go to Hyderabad, we can't take a Chennai highway and go to Hyderabad. So in the same way, every student has a kind of opportunity when they immediately step into the Keele University. The first opportunity is working from the day one of joining in the day one of the university, and working towards getting a job. Today Keele University is bringing campus placements in such a way that the students are getting 24 lakhs per annum. We have seen students who are getting 24 lakhs per annum. We have seen students who are working for ISRO. We have seen students working for NASA, and people working for Google and all. We have seen a lot of campus placements are being coming up to the university, and that's one of the options where student can opt it. And one more option is he can write GATE exams, GRT, TOEFL and all. He can go for his higher studies. That is one of the opportunity where students can explore. And one more opportunity is they can become an IAS officer or Group 1 officer. Keele University is separately having an separate department to teach. They are bringing experts to teach on these subjects relevant to the preparing for UPSC exams and all. And we have best research center of excellence which was funded by Government of India. We have MSME centers, and we have a lot of opportunities. And not only that, we have an opportunity to become an entrepreneur from the day one
Yes.
of the As by journey has been UP plus E. So these are all the 5 opportunities every student who step into the Keele University is always having.
Absolutely, there are a lot of opportunities at the university level itself. Before I let you go, Gopiraja, your story is also unique because most of the students after engineering prefer going abroad, but you are working at the grassroots level. You are, making a difference here, and from the lowest possible way. So, what makes it so satisfying about this part of your journey of being an entrepreneur?
The best satisfaction when I get is when I see the smile on my farmer's face. When I see the smile on the farmer's face, when farmers are, the best part is when I see my things are making some difference in their life. When I given a drone to the farmer, and the farmer is suffering a lot to do spraying job and all. Again, they used our technology, they used our solution. Our customers are using our solution, and they felt it satisfying. They took best out of the company, and the smile, when I see it on their face, it makes a lot of satisfied things for me.
Yes. Thank you so much for talking to us and sharing your journey. Wish you all the luck,
Sure.
and keep making Keele University proud.
Sure. Thank you.
KL, deemed to be university.
We are future ready.